Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what this 2-bedroom apartment, it's kind of like it's an apartment, but they called it executive suite. They called it Suite Copernico in Mega Hidalgo here in Polanco. I think it's around 1,800 or 1,700 pesos per night. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what this place looks like. So let's just get right into this video. So this is the entrance door, and as you can see they have this space here, and those bags are our own. By the left side you can see this dining here, and the lights up here, and by the left side again they have the kitchen with the cupboards. So in this drawer they have these utensils that you can see here. Inside this one they have these frying pans, the pots, the chopping board, sieve, and the table mat. And inside this small fridge it's completely empty. I don't know, I think they have ice inside. And they have this microwave, this small but mighty microwave. Up there they have that storage space as well. Inside this cupboard they have these sieves and the blender. In here they have wine glass, they have these plates, the mugs, and water glass. And inside this one it's empty. And let's check here and see if it is empty or not. Okay, they have this coffee sieve, they have tissue paper, they have salt, coffee, and then sugar. And on top of this cabinet they have this small what is it called, this small oven, and they put this water for us here. They have the coffee maker and the plate rack. In here they have this trash container. Here is completely empty, and here is also completely empty. So from here you can see the dining and the sitting room. So let's just walk closer. Let's go closer. So those things are our own because we just arrived, so our things are literally everywhere. And that's me dancing on the mirror. I love it. They go dance. Right over here they have this table for studying or working. Inside the drawers they are all empty, as you can see. So this is the sitting room. They have that air fresher. This is what the sitting room looks like. They have the flower, the books. They said guide to London. We're in Mexico. I love this flower, it's so beautiful. And the sitting room is well arranged and very clean. By my left they have the corridor, and they have this painting that is simple and nice. So from here you can see the 2 rooms, so let's just go towards the right side. So by my left they have this storage space here. And the first toilet and bathroom. There is cream, lotion, the shampoo, bar soap, and the 2 towels. They have that towel too. In here they have this tissue paper, only one. And up there you can see the towels, and this is the bathroom. That towel too, another towel on top. That's enough towel. So yeah, let's go to the other place. And as you can see, you don't need anyone to tell you, this is obviously gonna be the kids' room. It has 2 beds, one for one person, the other for the other person, and they put that camera and lights. And here there is fan, ironing board, laundry basket, hangers. And on the other side of the wardrobe This is what it looks like. The drawers are all completely empty. They have that trash can there. And on the other side, the entrance right by the left, you'll find this toilet as well, which looks exactly like the other one. The cream, the bar soap, the shampoo, the towels, just exactly as it is on the other side. And the bathroom as well. From here, this is the room. The keys are everywhere. And they have those two lights and the wardrobe. They have the heater, the laundry basket, the fan, and the hangers. That's all. That's the only thing they have on this side of the wardrobe. So on the other side of the wardrobe, this is what it looks like. They have that safe and the rack where you can keep your shoe, that space, and the drawers, of course, they are all empty. And the lights, the two lights are sensor lights, and the bed is queen size. Yeah, and the television, the stand, and the cupboard, and whatever thing that you see in this room are the things they have here. And they also have the telephone on the other side, as you can see. So this is the room, what it looks like. The drawers are all empty. I'm just checking for checking sake, just to know the things that they have here, the things they don't. So yeah, that's that for this video. And they have that mirror as well. So thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Say bye. Hello. This place is so nice. It's located in Polanco. Let me see outside. It's wet outside. It's raining. It's drizzling. Say drizzling. Drizzling. No, drizz. Drizzling. It's drizzling.